Today is comfort food. And I have some avocados that I thought would be going bad by now, but they're not. Like, I thought they would be smushy and soft by now. They're still not. So it's gonna take a little bit more arm work with my immersion blender to get them the consistency. We're gonna make avocado cream sauce. And so this is gonna be a really good one for if you want something lighter for food. It's a lighter food, it feels heavy. We're gonna have to stick blend it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and we'll get started on the stuff that I need to cook down before it gets stick blended. It's gonna have onion, garlic that we're going to saute down, and then it will have avocado and it'll have avocado and spinach, a little bit of lime, red pepper, chili flakes, salt and pepper, and thyme in it. Okay, so we have our garlic. We have our onion, and what we're going to do with this garlic and onion is we're going to mince it up. It's going to get blended in anyway. But we are going to basically just cut this into like little tiny pieces, and then we're going to saute it down for just a moment until it's translucent with a little bit of salt. Then we are going to add this into our bowl in order to make the cream sauce that we're making. And the cream sauce is going to be... You can do this without adding actual cream, or, you know, you don't have to add cream. You don't have to have the cheese in it if you don't want to. If you are vegan and you want to do this, feel free. It's not that difficult to make this dish veganized. Just add water instead. Add water and some veggie broth. All right, let's get these onions in here. I love you. I love you guys so much. I really do just want to be able to do this like full time and not have to worry about other things. Like, I love catering and I will continue catering, but I'd like to not have to rely on catering because honestly, that's more... Twitch is more consistent than catering is sometimes. We have our onions. Our onions, as we call them, for our lovely Miss Seth, because Seth does not like these. I was talking about Has Been Hotel earlier, so and Hell of a Boss, and so my brain is like with my babies, who are dirty, dirty little beings. It is shaped deliciously. Both of them are, yeah. That one's a little straight. I like them curved. This will tell me a lot about you. I need Steve in here going, this will tell me a lot about you. Yeah, this is out. Okay, first of all, avocados. Look, guys, I did it! Oh my god! It's like, ugh! Not happy. And they were like, I can't believe it. Like, how dare them, like, do this to me? Because, like, these people don't even really, like, some of them won't even eat. And I'm like, then go for something cheaper, my guy. Like, you're asking a fine dining restaurant who usually, like, at max seats, like, 4 people. Because it's fine dining. Like, I'm talking it's a Michelin star. USD, damn. It has a Michelin star. And they're like, $1,000 for 10 people is such a ripoff. No, it's not. At a Michelin star restaurant? Fuck you. Okay, so I cut up this stupid fucking avocado. And I added half of a lemon juice, We now have the onions and the garlic that I sauteed down in there. We have like about a tablespoon of pepper, about a quarter of a tablespoon of red pepper chili flakes, a good 2 pinches of, maybe 3 pinches of salt. We're going to add in the garlic powder as well. Boom. About a teaspoon of garlic powder and about a teaspoon of thyme. And then I'm melting down butter that we're going to add into. I just swallowed all that thyme. Adding in the butter. We're going to add approximately a cup of cream, but like I said, if you are a vegan and you want to do this, you don't have to add the cream. You can add in a cup of water that is mixed with like a vegetable bouillon. About a cup of spinach in here as well. Put the spinach up. The spinach up. I don't think this is going to turn out as pretty as I want it because of this stupid fucking avocado.
My carnivorous plant is also vegan.
What? We're going to cook this down and do it again. And then we're going to zoom it again afterwards. Because, like, normally you wouldn't have to do this because your avocados aren't going to be from Satan himself. Genetically modified avocados that never ripen. Who would do that? Who would do that? So we're going to put this, you have to put it on the stove anyway. The only other, like, to make it come down, the only problem that we're facing is that it's not as creamy as I want it right now because of that avocado being like a bitch, essentially. It smells delicious. It smells very tasty. But we're going to have to cook it down with a little bit of water and then once again, basically add in or zoot it. While this is going, I will get, oh no, I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this. Bitch, do not mess up my beautiful things. I dyed my fucking stove blue last night. Pasta. Water. My white powder is salt most of the time. All right, so if you guys didn't know the 5-minute, the very nice way to do pasta, you put in water, you go ahead and put in the pasta and the salt, and as soon as it hits 5 minutes, or as soon as it starts boiling, you put it in on a timer for 5 minutes, and it comes out perfectly. We have everything going. We're gonna let our fucking avocados soften in there before we can zzz it again. Okay, I want to taste this. Make sure it's the right taste, at least. It's the right taste. I did not fail at the avocado. The avocado fucking failed me. Our avocado is finally loosening up and isn't plastic anymore. Set a timer for 5 minutes. All right, let's try to blend this out just a little bit more and see if we can. I'm gonna sieve it at the end because, like, it's just not gonna look pretty unless I do. Don't forget to take your meds, children. Okay. Let's sieve this and put it back in. Okay. Normally, you would not have to really do this if you don't want to. But I am sieving it because it just does have all of that, like, extra bullshit from the avocado being strange and plasticky. And I swear to God, it was fake avocado, but it smells and tastes like real avocado, except for it doesn't have the right. Add in some of our pasta water. That. Bring this up to boil down a little bit and take our pasta out. I'm also going to add in, we're going to reduce this pasta sauce down a lot. And about towards the end, I'm going to add in some cherry tomatoes. Okay, I'm adding tomatoes. If you want to put meat in here, if you're like, you know what, this needs some kind of meat, fish And shrimp, any kind of seafood is going to be your best bet on this because it is a lighter sauce. It doesn't, it will be completely covered up if you put things like beef. Even chicken is a little too heavy for it. So if you do a really light whitefish or shrimp in this, it's going to taste fabulous. All right, Red, are you ready? Are you ready for this jelly? I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly because my Avocado is too bootylicious for you, baby. Beautiful. I can go away from, but that's fine. Sorry, I had to.